Standing with knees soft and relaxed, hands at the side of the body. And now we're going to start the heaven and earth breath. Place the hands to the dantian and connect there. Imagine a ball of golden light in between your hands and connect the palms down to the earth. Raise the palms up, connect the palms to the heavens, and then the heaven comes down to earth. Palms connect to the earth, and then earth comes up to heaven. Connect palms to heaven, heaven coming down to earth, and then energy back down to the earth. Taking energy of heaven earth to the dantian, at the belly, towards and into the golden ball, and rest the arms